Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. It is a Sanskrit word to respect the Guru. Meaning, Guru is the creator, Guru is the preserver. Guru Deva is destroyer, Guru is absolute Lord himself. Salutations to that Shri Guru. With this, I am Miss Vaishnavi Bhavsai Brode from class 8th. The name of my school is Moa Public School, Sonima. Today we are going to celebrate Guru Purnima and 165th birth anniversary of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Guru Purnima is a festival which is dedicated to our Gurus. A Guru not only teaches and gives us the knowledge, but shows us the right path to lead our life. He is the person who helps us to enlighten ourselves and guides to lead a prosperous life. जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है, कुछ इसी तरह से हर गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है. So now it's time to felicitate our Gurus.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया. आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम. शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया.
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया.
आपसे ही सीखा, आपसे ही जाना, आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना. सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, कलम का मतलब आपसे ही जाना, कलम का मतलब आपसे ही जाना. Now Master Sarthak Brode will express his views.
Respected teachers and dear friends, good morning. My name is Sarthak Brode from 8th standard. My school name is Moa Public School, Sune. It is my honor to present before a speech on Guru Purnima, also called as Vyas Purnima and Bal Gangadhar Tilak Jayanti. As teachers are believed to be one of the incarnation of Guru, I would like to begin my speech by heartily welcoming all the respected teachers and principal present here. India is considered to be land of Guru. This day is celebrated on the full moon day of Ashad Month. It is done to honor all the enlightened masters, gurus and teachers who had dedicated all their lives towards self-realization and spreading enlightenment throughout the world without any personal gain. It is a day to remind the importance of gurus and pay our respect to them. A guru teaches life lesson to people and leads them to glory. Students are motivated to follow the wisdom and knowledge of spiritual gurus. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall help, wrote Bal Gangadhar Tilak as he emerged for the prison in present day Mumbai. On the way of Swaraj, Tilak advocated to home rule for India. Born in the year 1856 on the 23rd of July, he was a Maratha by birth who hailed from city of Ratnagiri. Being an ordinary school teacher, his love and patriotism for the country were beyond words. He is also known as keen admirer of the rural Maharashtra, then Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. While he fought the British, was once arrested and sent to prison in Burma for 6 years. His sacrifices and social service to the nation will be remembered for years to come. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as architect of modern India and the ancient nationalism. He died on 1st August 1st August 1920. A huge respect to such a personality. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarthak. Now I would like to call Sairaj Samane to deliver his speech.
Good morning, friends. My name is Sairaj Prasad Sonone. I am in 6th standard. The name of my school is Mula Public School Sonai. Today we have gathered here for Guru Purnima and birth anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak born on 23 July 1856 as Keshar Gangadhar Tilak. He was an Indian nationalist teacher and an independence artist. He was the first leader of Indian movement. The British colonial authorities called him. He was also conferred with the title of Lokmanya, which means by their people, their leader. Mahatma Gandhi also called him the maker of modern India. Guru Purnima. India is the only place where gurus have been given lot of importance and where there are lot of followers and disciplines. The gurus have been existing since the ancient times and is still a part of our lives. The gurus teach us about the importance and cycle of life, and it is because of the existence of immortals and outside the world. Guru is not only a physical form but also a form of energy by which knowledge is transmitted to the individuals. There is an aura that can be only felt in the presence of Guru. Guru can be our parent, the guide to our life, and be the core of peace in our minds. This is why we celebrate Guru Purnima and dedicate the respect of its being. Thank you.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
The best teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. So now I would like to call our Guru as teacher, Ms. Gadak ma'am, to say a few words.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sarla Dattatri Gada from Mahan Public School, Sonai. Today, we are going to celebrate Guru Purnima and Lokmanya Balgangadhar Tilak birth anniversary. Teachers, respected principal, my dear students and parents, Happy Guru Purnima and Lokmanya Balgangadhar Tilak birth anniversary. India is considered to be the land of gurus, spiritual masters and teachers. Guru Purnima is a major traditional festival celebrated throughout the India with great fervor, zeal by Hindus and Buddhists. The word Guru is derived from the god Gu and Ru. A Sanskrit word Gu means the darkness of mere ignorance, and Ru means the removal of darkness. That means Guru removes the darkness of our ignorance. Guru Purnima is celebrated on full moon in the month of Ashad in Hindu calendar and the month of June and July in Gregorian calendar. It is also celebrated to mark the birthday of Maharishi Vedvyasa, also the return of Mahabharata, and in this Lord Shiva became the first Guru. The ancient slokas derived from the scriptures to summarize the significance of Guru is Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. The Guru is given a lot of devotion, and Guru is given the significance more than the God. Guru teaches life lesson and lead the life to the glory. Lokmanya Balgangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856. Tilak was a mathematician, philosopher, scholar and social reformer. Tilak imparted the quality education to the people. He founded a Deccan Education Society in 1884. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This was asserted by the Lokmanya Balgangadhar Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak inspired a national spirit among the people. For that purpose, he organized public celebrations such as Ganesh Utsav and Shiv Jayanti. In his paper Kesari and Maratha, he boldly criticized the government. He spent all his life in the service of nation. Thank you all of you.
थैंक यू मैम फॉर गाइडिंग एंड शोइंग अस द पाथ। ज्ञान देने वाले गुरु का बंधन है, ज्ञान देने वाले गुरु का बंधन है, उनके चरणों की धूल भी चंदन है, उनके चरणों की धूल भी चंदन है। सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल आवर प्रिंसिपल मैम मिसेस माधुरी सोलके टू एड्रेस द ऑडियंस।
Good morning, students. Today we all are celebrating Guru Purnima in all over India. Guru Purnima and Guru has a special significance in the Hindu tradition. My dear students, Guru is very important in every individual's life. He plays a very important role in every individual's life. Guru is that one who removes out all the darkness from the life and he makes the light with glory of any person. Guru means one who gives us the teachings. He tells us what is good and what is bad in the life. He tries and he every time protects us from all the dangers. Whatever is bad, he will never allow us to go towards it. He gives the right direction to our life and he shows the right path to us in our life. Guru means he is the treasury of the knowledge and he tries to imbibe all his knowledge in his disciple. My dear students, this nature is our Guru. Because this nature tries to teach us everything else. It tries to teach us what is the meaning of sacrifice. For example, when these rivers are flowing, it goes on quenching the thirst of the many of the living beings. But still in return it doesn't ask anything else to anybody else. And it goes on sacrificing and sacrificing. These trees which are growing in the nature, they teach us the rule how to grow and how to give to the others. It tries to meet the hunger and then from it tries to multiply. This nature is definitely our Guru. It is always said that mother is always the Guru of every person's life. Because mother, she teaches us to speak. She teaches us how to sing. Guru is that one who guides us. He is a mentor. He is a tutor. He is a molder of a life. The role of Guru is like that. Like a potter. Potter, he always tries to shape the lump of the mud and a beautiful pot is prepared by him. In the same way, any individual, any human, he is always like a lump in front of the Guru and Guru tries to shape his life. Guru always lead our life towards the success and he will protect us from all the dangers. This is very true. My dear students, Swami Vivekananda, he became Swami and Vivekananda from his entitled name by his parents Narendra because he got enlightened Guru like Ramakrishna Paramhams. When he was in the search of the God and divinity, he came across this enlightened Guru Ramakrishna Paramhams and he really molded Narendra's life and made him Vivekananda. Sant Jnanadeva, my dear students, Jnanadeva, he got his own brother as Guru Nivrittinath and was able to prepare Poseidon at a very small age. Dear students, small Muktabai, she tried to teach the greatest sage, the Sant Samdev Maharaj, and tried to remove all the envy from his mind. At that time she was very small compared to Sant Samdev, but in spite of that, he considered her as a guru because she taught him how to be away from the arrogance. Dear students, Niruddinath, he became guru of his own brother Jnanadeva and made him Sant Jnaneshwar. But Niruddinath himself was the disciple of Gahininath, one of the followers of Shiva Shankar. When Gahininath felt that now his work should be prolonged by some of the efficient, eminent person, enlightened person, he called Niruddinath and made him his disciple. He himself, Gahininath himself, became guru of Niruddinath. Dear students, this Guru Shishya Parampara, that is very ancient tradition in India. Lord Krishna got Sandipani Rishi as his guru, and so today also we are worshipping him as one of the yogi, the greatest yogi, Lord Krishna. It is not so easy to get guru for each and everybody else in the life. It is by some of our good deeds. It is said karmas. By the fortune, we get guru in our life. My dear students, and I am really very proud to tell you that even I have got one of the enlightened guru in my life, Swami Shiv Kripanand. He is only the meditation guru and he tells us how to make samarpan dhyan and its good effect over us. Guru never allows any danger to enter in us, any evil to enter in us. And the faith in Guru is very important. Because everything else, whatever it is going around us, whatever it is happening with us, sometimes I feel that why it is with me? Why am I the victim of all these wrongs? Or why am I here? Why these things are happening with me only? At that time, only we have to close our eyes and we have to remember our Guru. He immediately answers us. This is the divine power of Guru, with which he is continuously connected with his disciples. Thank you, my dear students.
Thank you, ma'am. That was motivating and extremely informative. It is very important for giving thanks, as you all participated and supported us for this program.
Good morning to one and all. I am Miss Vaishnavi Sanjay Dasputi. The name of my school is Mula Public School, Sone. I am very thankful for today's vote of thanks on the behalf of Mula Public School, Sone, on the auspicious Guru Purnima and the Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak birth anniversary, date 23/7/2021. I am very thankful to all the teachers who have actively dedicated for today's program. I am very thankful to all the parents and my dear friends. I am very thankful to our respected principal ma'am for guiding us for today's program. With this, I declare that the program is ended up. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.